Receive your miracle with the law of attraction and this important secret. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom. Today we are talking about an ancient secret. It's as old as humanity itself. And when you apply this secret along with the law of attraction, you will manifest the miracle of your dreams. What is it that you desire? A new home, a new relationship, a better marriage, better health, a new car, whatever it is, it's available to you through the law of attraction and this ancient secret. Learn this secret and you will receive miracles. Now, everything in the universe, high flyers, everything operates under universal law. There is nothing that is outside the confines of universal law. Even what appears to be miracles operate under universal law. And so we have universal law, which is a totality. And then under that, we have physical law. And then we have spiritual law. Now, spiritual law to many people seems very out there, like I can't put my finger on it, I can't touch it, I can't see it. I don't know if I believe it. But interestingly enough, I believe that quantum science, quantum physics and mechanics are now explaining the nature of spiritual law. Look at high flyers. Some of the things that I was teaching 30 years ago in regards to the Kabbalah and the ancient mysteries, science is now revealing as scientific fact today. It's only been the last 40 or 50 years that science has revealed that colors vibrate. Yet the ancient Kabbalists knew this. The ancient people in various mystery schools, not just Kabbalists, but other mystery schools, knew that combinations of colors created different vibrations. So as we expand our knowledge, we begin to understand that the spiritual is in the physical, and the physical is in the spiritual. The laws do not contradict each other. They're just different laws for different levels of reality. So, high flyers, we have this invisible force in the universe, and it's been called a number of things. You could call it life force, God force, spirit, prana, ruach. This invisible force, it permeates every aspect of the universe. And this invisible force allows you, through the process of your mind and how you think, to manifest your deepest desires, to manifest your goals and your dreams, to have that incredible relationship that you desire, or that new home, or that dream vacation, or that nice big fat bank account. And it's all based on ancient science, ancient wisdom, the Emerald Tablet of Hermes. And so many mystery schools today can trace their root all the way back to the core teachings of the Emerald Tablet of Hermes. The Emerald Tablet states, as above, so below, as within, so without. What you think up above in your mind connects with the universe, and it manifests in the physical world, in your life, in your day-to-day life. It appears so fast, so quickly, so out of random that it appears like a miracle. It seems like an incredible miracle. I get excited about this. I need to take a breath. So when you hold something into your heart, when you bring something deep within your heart, and you believe it with all of your heart, you trust it with all of your heart, no matter what the world is telling you, no matter what other people are saying, you trust it in your heart, you think it in your mind, it must manifest in the outside world. That's what we call a miracle, because everybody else said it wasn't going to happen. All your friends said it wouldn't happen. Everybody you know said it wouldn't happen. But you know deep inside that it's real. You know deep inside that it's a miracle ready to be born. Now, high flyers, this principle, based on the law of vibration, works all the time. It's a simple principle. It is so simple that people ignore it. It is so simple that some of you are going to click off this YouTube channel. Don't do that, but you're going to click off and say, that was too simple. Come on. But it's the simple things in life that produce the rewards. You know, many rich people that are beyond the $1 million range and into the $1 billion range will tell you it's this simple principle that I apply every single day that has built my empire. And so understanding that in the simplicity of this secret is everything you need to manifest an incredible miracle in your life. I'm not talking about 20 years from now or 50 years from now. I'm talking about quickly, right now, within a reasonable period of time. Of course, everything depends on divine timing. I understand that. So it could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be a week from now, but it's going to happen. It must happen because you held it in your mind, you believed it totally without doubt, you kept it in your heart, and so it must manifest in the physical world. So this secret, this law, it's a principle, was based on ancient teachings where human beings came out of the cave and they go, wow, it's springtime. Birds are chirping. Snow is gone. Ground isn't hard anymore. Wow, I wonder if I can put some seeds in the ground. And then summertime. Oh, it's nice and warm. Everything's growing. Everything's green. Everything's lush. Oh, it's fall. Look at the big pumpkins. Look at the apples. Look at all the fruit and vegetables. Let's pick this stuff and eat it. That's how simple it is. It's what the late Stephen Covey called the law of the farm. The law of the farm. Ancient scriptures call it the law of reaping and sowing. Reaping and sowing. First, you must sow. First, you must sow your seeds. There's no reaping. There's no harvest. There's no receiving without first sowing seed. So people will say to me, Robert, I'm not sure about that law of attraction stuff. I said, really? I said, what would it take for you to be sure? And they would say, well, I need to see some proof first. But see, that's the whole idea, high flyers. You will never see proof until you take the time to believe in the proof. In other words, you have to put the seed in the ground. You have to believe that the seed is going to deliver you a harvest. If you don't believe that, if you don't take that action, there is no receiving. And so the doubters continue to doubt. And the receivers, oh yeah, we continue to receive. And so, high flyers, the law of the farm, this secret requires you to have a specific seed in mind. A specific seed. In other words, if I want watermelons, I better not plant apple seeds. I better plant the right seed. What is the right seed for you? If you desire an incredible, loving relationship, then you dare not plant seeds of distrust, of jealousy, of anger, of arguing, of hurt, of pain. Those are seeds that are going to grow a whole different kind of crop. The seeds you plant today provide the harvest that you will reap tomorrow. Your thoughts are seeds. So high flyers, I mean exactly what I said. Your thoughts are seeds. You see, your thoughts, the thoughts that you think, are literally going into your imaginary ground and planting for you whatever it is that you desire, or maybe you don't desire. Maybe you are planting weeds when you really would like to have roses. Think about that. So your thoughts, managing your thoughts is essential because they're the seeds from which everything comes. And thoughts are like doorways. They're like doorways. Energy flows where attention goes. So high flyers, your thoughts become like the focal point. They send the energy. They send the universal energy to wherever you want it to go. So if you have negative thoughts, that's where it's going. If you have positive thoughts, that's where it's going. If you have thoughts of abundance and prosperity and love, that's where it is going. Energy flows where attention goes. Think about this for a moment. Energy flows where attention goes. What is it that gives you your attention to anything? It's your thoughts. So high flyers, your thoughts have the ability to have you soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And with your thoughts, starting right now, you can begin to plant a garden of love. You can have more love in your life than you ever imagined. You can have people that love you. You can have family that adores you. You can have a relationship that inspires you. You can have everything you desire. So right now, if that's your seed, if that's the seed you desire to plant, say, I am planting a seed, and from this seed, I will grow a garden of love. Perhaps you've been struggling with ill health and you walk around going, oh, my back hurts. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, my back hurts. What an affirmation that is. You're affirming over and over and over again that your back hurts. And you know, I understand when you're in pain, you want somebody to understand what you're going through. But the truth of the matter is, when you're in pain, you're the one in pain. And you're in pain first and foremost by the seeds you plant. So you can have a garden of health and vitality. Say it right now. I'm planting seeds of health and vitality. And from here on out, start thinking thoughts of only health, of only vitality. Same with money. Look at winning the lottery is easy. Making $1 million is easy. You know, making $1,000 this week is easy. Whatever it is that you desire to make, start seeing it as easy. Don't see it as this big monumental thing that I got to work on for the rest of my life and maybe. No. When things are thought of as easy, they become easy. Money is too damn easy to make. It really is. So grow yourself a garden of money. Why not? Plant seeds of wealth. Plant seeds of prosperity. Plant seeds of growth. You can do that. Your thoughts determine the garden that you are growing in your life. Be specific. Don't be general. Don't say, I want a lot of money. I want a lot of... No. Say, I deserve. I am experiencing the lifestyle of someone who has $1 million sitting in the bank right now, or $1,000 in my wallet right now. Be specific with the kind of seeds that you plant. Remember, earlier on, we talked about if you put in watermelon seeds, don't expect apple trees to grow, okay? And I want to remind you that your subconscious mind, it empowers your thoughts. It empowers them, or it works as a counterintention. So I want you to join Rachel and I. We're doing this incredible healing event for 4 days on the new year. So it'll be a day before, I think, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day and the day after and the day after for 4 days. So you can pick your day and join us. And we are going to be sharing with you clearing and healing and seed planting and helping you to make 2020 your best year ever. So visit us at 2020manifestationblowout.com. That's 2020manifestationblowout.com, and register. It's absolutely free. There's no obligation. We just want you there because we desire our high-flying family to join us on New Year's to set the year into motion with success and reward. And, of course, increase. You have a good day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.